Hi, welcome back. Today I'll be making a crown chair and it should be tall, so I'll be using these three wood planks. It is around 1 meter tall. Then I will be attaching it into the back part of the chair because you can see there is a curved parts which I cannot actually put a screw from the front, so I'll be using it from the back side of the chair. Then I drilled the holes to make the process easy. Then I attach all the three pieces into the chair. The actual pressure and weight is going to be on the base chair and the extra attachment is going to be the headrest. I'm using some regular foam to upholster the chair. For the sitting part, I have thick foam, and for the backrest, I'll be using a 1.5-inch thick foam. The other black color foam is around 3-inch thick. To attach the foam to the base, you can initially use the glue or the staple pins. Here I cut the foam into the size I need, and I'll be attaching it using a staple gun. And I don't use the glue because it is not that healthy and I prefer not to use it. You can purchase a heavy duty staple gun anywhere online or any craft stores. It will cost less than 10. Here you see I use so many pieces of foam because I used it from the leftover or from my previous projects. I'm making the chair for my personal use and I don't sell it. The fabric I'm using is crushed velvet in lipstick pink color. It just needs 1 meter fabric to finish a project like this. I'm doing a regular diamond tufting design and using a staple gun to create the design. It is rather easier than drilling the hole and sewing the diamond tufting. It saves quite a lot of time and it's really easy. You need to play with it a while to get a design looking something like a diamond tufting. To finish the back side of the chair, I'm using a cardboard covered with fabric. Then I finished the sitting part too. I had to remove the legs to complete the bottom part and give it a line. Then I used some glue and tufting nails to finish the backing board. Here you can see I removed the legs to complete the bottom with the lining and the staple pins to complete that part. Then I glued the acrylic diamond buttons to complete the top. A regular chair upgrader like this can be used in any rooms like powder room, bedroom, or somewhere where there is not that much of a traffic. You know what I mean. And that's it for today's video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Until I see you next time. Bye bye. Visit my online shop to get matching home decor items, especially in pink color. The link is in the description below or it is on my page.